Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you looking for tasty and healthy meal options that will help you build muscle and burn fat? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 delicious high-protein recipes that will not only fuel your workouts but also help you achieve your fitness goals. First, let's talk about the importance of protein in your diet. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, and it also helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. By incorporating more protein into your meals, you can improve your body composition and reach your fitness goals faster. Our first recipe is a mouth-watering grilled chicken with avocado salsa. This dish is high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it the perfect meal for post-workout recovery. Plus, it's super easy to make. Our second recipe is a quinoa and black bean bowl that is packed with protein and essential nutrients. This dish is perfect for vegans or anyone who wants to incorporate more plant-based protein into their diet. Our third recipe is a delicious baked salmon with lemon and asparagus. This dish is not only high in protein but also contains heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for overall health. Our fourth recipe is a Greek yogurt parfait that is both high in protein and low in calories. This dish is perfect for a quick and easy breakfast or snack on the go. Our fifth and final recipe is a decadent chocolate peanut butter protein smoothie that is perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while also providing your body with the protein it needs to recover from your workouts. There you have it, 5 delicious high-protein recipes that will help you build muscle and burn fat. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or bland. By incorporating these recipes into your meal plan, you can enjoy tasty and nutritious meals while also achieving your fitness goals. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more fitness and nutrition tips.